Welcome! Today we're going to learn something special. It's the Silvana Star Ball, my modified version of it. Here at Heap we're trying to inspire people to connect more with each other using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, subscribe to my channel and I'll be delivering something new every single week. My modified version of the Silvana Star Ball module is pretty much the same geometry but double layered. The double layer allows us to have a pocket where the modules are supposed to connect. This pocket allows the connection to be more rigid and easier to assemble. As you can see, I have really big hands, and this limits me from making a small version of the Silvana Star Ball. Having this pocket allows me to finish the assembly without using glue or paper clips. To make the Silvana Star Ball, you need 30 of these small modules, and here's a time lapse of me making all 30 pieces of them. It's going to take a while. I actually had to split the job into 2 days because I didn't have enough time the first day. But if you can, do it with a friend. It'll make the job less tedious and a lot faster. And in the end, you can share the accomplishment together. To fold the module, you'll need to have a square piece of paper and split it in two. Each square piece of paper will make 2 units. So in total, you'll need to have 15 pieces of square paper to make 30 units. To assemble the modules, first make a star. To put the modules together, simply put the flap of one module into the pocket of the other one. As you can see, with the pocket that I designed specifically for this model, it is easy to connect the pieces together and they don't fall apart. This is where I failed with the original design. The paper thickness was too thick for the model, so the pieces didn't want to stick together. That is why I made the pockets in this module. Once you're done with the center star, you want to connect the corners of the stars together using another piece so that you have something that's similar to a flower. So it's a round piece with a star in the middle. You will need 2 of these flowers. They're kind of pretty, don't you think? Now, to connect the 2 flowers together, you'll need to make a ring using 10 modules for the middle. They're going to be in a zigzag pattern. Once the ring is complete, you can add the other part. Just simply connect the flower to the part that you have in your hand. Now you want to touch it up a bit by pushing the connections together. This way you can make sure that the modules don't fall out. When you're happy with the touch-up, we're done. Here is the Silvana Star Ball, my modified version of it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes, click right for more awesome origami like this.